XRP just scored a major victory against the SEC, and the price could be on the verge of an explosive surge. $385.69 may be closer than you think. After years of legal battles, Ripple has just won a critical decision that could finally put an end to the uncertainty surrounding XRP. This ruling isn't just good news for Ripple, it could open the doors for institutional adoption, mainstream financial integration, and a massive price rally. But here's the real question. Is this the moment XRP holders have been waiting for? Will this legal breakthrough send XRP soaring past previous all-time highs? And what does this mean for the future of crypto regulation? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this victory could be the turning point for XRP's rise to triple-digit territory. The SEC has been fighting to classify XRP as a security, creating legal uncertainty that has held back its price and adoption. But now, Ripple has scored a major win, and this could change everything. So, what just happened? A judge has once again ruled in favor of Ripple, further weakening the SEC's case. Legal experts say this decision pushes XRP closer to full regulatory clarity, meaning banks, hedge funds, and financial institutions may now feel confident in using XRP for cross-border payments. This is a massive shift because regulatory uncertainty has been one of the biggest obstacles, stopping XRP from reaching its full potential. Even more interesting is how the market is reacting. Following the news, XRP's trading volume spiked, and investors are taking this as a signal that the legal battle is nearing its final stages. If the SEC keeps losing ground, a full dismissal or settlement could be next, and that would mean XRP is officially cleared for global adoption. But this is just the beginning. If regulatory clarity is now within reach, how high can XRP really go? Some experts believe this ruling is the first step toward a major breakout, and that $385.69 may not be as unrealistic as it sounds. Let's break it down. XRP's price has been held back by the SEC lawsuit, but now that Ripple has scored a major victory, the big question is, can XRP really hit 385.69? While that number might sound extreme to some, there are solid reasons why experts believe XRP is positioned for a massive breakout. First, let's look at supply and demand. Unlike Bitcoin, which has a supply of 21 million coins, XRP has 100 billion tokens, but a large portion is locked up, burned, or held by institutions. If banks and financial giants start using XRP for cross-border transactions, its daily volume could skyrocket, creating the perfect storm for a price surge. Then there's historical patterns. When Bitcoin gained mainstream acceptance, it exploded from a few $100s to nearly $70,000. Ethereum went from single digits to thousands when institutional investors stepped in. If XRP is about to experience the same level of mass adoption, especially now that the lawsuit is nearing its end, a triple-digit price isn't impossible. And let's not forget institutional interest. With regulatory clarity now closer than ever, major banks, hedge funds, and payment providers could be lining up to integrate XRP into their systems. If that happens, demand could far exceed anything we've seen before. So, what's happening behind the scenes? Are financial institutions already preparing for an XRP boom? And how are major investors reacting to this latest legal victory? Let's take a closer look. With Ripple's latest legal victory, investors and institutions are wasting no time making their next moves. But the real question is, what's happening behind the scenes? First, let's talk about whale activity. On-chain data shows that large XRP transactions have been increasing, with major wallets accumulating more XRP right after the court ruling. This suggests that institutional investors see the writing on the wall. Regulatory clarity is coming, and they don't want to miss out before the price takes off. Second, trading volume is spiking. Market analysts are reporting a surge in XRP activity, with millions of dollars flowing in within hours of the legal update. This kind of movement is often a sign of a major price shift. Big players are positioning themselves before the rest of the market catches on. But what's even more important is global adoption. With the SEC losing ground, banks and financial institutions that were previously hesitant may now be ready to fully integrate XRP into their payment systems. And if that happens, XRP's role as a bridge currency for international transactions could become bigger than ever. So, what happens next? Will the SEC finally back down, or is another legal twist coming? And most importantly, What does this mean for XRP's future price? Let's break it down. Now that Ripple has gained the upper hand, the big question is, what's next for XRP? Will the SEC finally back down, or is another legal twist on the way? Right now, experts see two possible outcomes. First, the SEC could push for a settlement. After losing multiple rulings, the SEC may want to avoid further damage and negotiate a deal with Ripple. If that happens, XRP could gain official regulatory clarity, making it easier for banks and institutions to fully adopt it without legal risk. This scenario would be incredibly bullish, as it would open the floodgates for mass adoption. The second possibility is that the SEC drags out the case with an appeal, but that might not stop XRP's momentum. With each ruling in Ripple's favor, more investors are gaining confidence that XRP will ultimately be cleared. Even if the case continues, the market is already reacting as if XRP has won, which means the price could surge before the final decision even happens. Beyond the lawsuit, Ripple's growing global partnerships could be the next big catalyst. With financial institutions around the world already using XRP for cross-border payments, a legal victory in the US could push adoption into overdrive. If that happens, price predictions of $385.69 or even higher may not be unrealistic. With everything happening right now, the SEC's defeat, rising institutional interest, and global adoption gaining momentum, XRP holders may be standing at the edge of something massive. The legal battle that once held XRP back is quickly losing power, and the markets are taking notice. If Ripple's legal victory leads to full regulatory clarity, XRP could finally be unleashed as the go-to asset for international settlements. Banks, hedge funds, and major financial institutions are already watching closely, and some are likely positioning themselves before the next big move. But here's the big question: are everyday investors running out of time? If institutions start securing XRP for large-scale transactions, will retail holders be able to take advantage before the price skyrockets? History has shown that once big money moves in, prices don't wait. So, what do you think? Is XRP about to explode past $385.69? Will this legal victory finally set XRP free, or is there still one last hurdle? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead of every major XRP update, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The next few weeks could change everything. That brings us to the final and most important question: what should XRP holders do now? With Ripple's major legal victory, institutions moving behind the scenes, and price predictions soaring, the next phase for XRP could be unlike anything we've seen before. If the SEC backs down or settles, XRP could finally break free from legal uncertainty, and when that happens, adoption could skyrocket. Financial giants are already showing interest, and once they secure their positions, retail investors may no longer have the same opportunities. The crypto market moves fast, and history has shown that those who wait too long often miss the biggest gains. But at the same time, it's important to stay informed. XRP's price could be extremely volatile in the short term, and with institutions